What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. So we had this customer scheduled for 7:30, but guess who didn't show up at 7:30? Caleb. Customer. We give you an appointment for a reason. One reason is, where's your wheel lock key? Oh, you're the last ones to work on it. We didn't work on your car last time. We didn't take the tires off. We changed one left rear shock. So this is the image of the car on the lift. So you have two accessible bolts here. Two accessible bolts here. Absolutely no reason to take your rear tires off to change your shock absorbers. That's simple. We wouldn't take your front tires off to change the sway bar links if we didn't have parts here to do that. So the front tires do have to come off to do your front sway bar links. So we're going to use a strip socket tool to do that, and we're just going to work around the missing wheel lock key. But if the customer is here and we can say, do you have your wheel lock key? And they're like, well, you worked on it last. We didn't really work on your car. We didn't take your tires off. To change shocks on a Mustang, you don't need to do that. But anywho, we're going to get started on this. And I hate when people don't show up for their appointments because it's really annoying. Really annoying. Because it screws us up. It screws up the workflow. It screws up what we have planned to get started on as we open our shop. And then when you show up late, we continue to take customers in and other work because now you have already lost your spot. Be on time.